Buying the current Apple TV 4K right now is an absolute financial trap. And Mark Gurman just confirmed Cupertino mysteriously ripped the next-generation model right out of the WWDC lineup because of a massive hardware bottleneck. If you drop $129 on the current model today, you're literally throwing your cash straight into a fire. Everyone in the Apple ecosystem is completely obsessed with the upcoming M5 Mac Mini or those early iPhone 18 camera rumors, meaning the entire tech community completely missed the biggest secret Apple is hiding in plain sight. You need to pay attention to every single detail of this supply chain leak, because what rolls out this September will destroy the trade-in value of the device in your living room and fundamentally change how we manage our smart homes forever. Right now, the current Apple TV sits on store shelves running a sluggish A15 Bionic chip with a pretty pathetic 4 gigabytes of RAM. For the last few years, that daily driver specification was fine for streaming standard Netflix content, but we are officially moving into the Apple Intelligence era, and that 4 gigabyte memory limit is an absolute death sentence for your hardware. Apple now requires a strict minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM across their entire product stack to run local on-device AI operations. Ming-Chi has repeatedly pointed out that Apple's supply chain is aggressively shifting toward higher memory configurations because the new Siri architecture simply cannot function without it. Digging into reports from Makotakara and DG Times, they verify that Apple is holding this hardware back until tvOS 20 launches alongside a massive Siri upgrade this fall, because they cannot risk a fragmented, sluggish user experience. Buying the 2022 model today means you are actively purchasing dead tech that will be permanently locked out of the most massive software update in Apple history. Do not make this mistake. It is a calculated trap designed to clear out old inventory before the real upgrade cycle begins. We are looking at a highly probable price hike because supply chain insiders like Shrimp Apple Pro are pointing to an unprecedented silicon jump that will completely blindside casual buyers. We're talking about the 3nm A17 Pro chip, or possibly even the base A18 chip going straight into a plastic streaming box. Think about that for a second. Apple is taking the exact same cutting-edge silicon from flagship iPhones, dealing with tight TSMC 3nm yields, and stuffing it into a television accessory. Why would a business intentionally hit their own profit margins like that? Because the new Siri needs raw neural engine power to understand complex conversational context without bouncing your personal voice requests to a distant cloud server. This means instant response times for your smart home, zero buffering on heavy commands, and an assistant that actually knows who is talking and what they want to watch based on specific viewing habits. This localized processing transforms your television into a hyper-intelligent central hub for your entire house. But here is where Apple is trying to trick us, and you have to watch your wallet closely. Cupertino is not going to absorb the massive cost of a 3nm chip and double the unified memory out of the goodness of their heart. The current base model sits at an aggressive price point, but with the raw production costs of this new silicon, do not be shocked if the new entry-level tier jumps immediately to $149 or even $179. Honestly, I'll believe it when I see it, but you need to calculate your return on investment right now. Yes, you will pay a premium upfront for the 2026 hardware, but the trade-in value of your current device is going to drop by at least 60% the literal moment this new box is announced on stage. Holding out for the updated model protects your long-term investment and saves you from brutal depreciation. I see so many people ignoring the hidden costs of tech depreciation every single day. When you make a buying decision, you have to look at a 3-year horizon. Buying dead tech guarantees a 0% return when you inevitably have to upgrade just to get basic features working again. Save your money, hold the line, and wait for premium pricing to actually deliver premium performance that lasts half a decade. Let's pivot over to the wireless upgrades, because this is where the new Apple TV completely destroys the competition, and nobody else is talking about this specific change. Ross Young recently hinted that the absolute biggest, most highly searched rumor right now centers entirely around a custom N1 networking chip. This is an absolute beast of an upgrade that completely shifts the value proposition. We are talking about Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 integrated directly into the silicon of the Apple TV. Most average consumers do not realize how massive this actually is for their daily experience. Reports from the LEC indicate that Wi-Fi 7 opens up the ultra-wide 6 GHz band, offering wireless speeds and incredibly low latency that directly rival a hardwired Ethernet connection without the nightmare of drilling holes in your walls. If you hate running messy cables through your house and hiring expensive contractors, the base model with Wi-Fi 7 is going to stream massive, uncompressed 4K HDR files flawlessly over the air. You literally save the extra $20 you would have spent upgrading to the premium Ethernet tier, making the custom N1 chip the most valuable hidden feature in this entire leak. It completely changes the buying decision for millions of apartment renters and homeowners. When we eventually do our long-term review of this exact device, network stability is going to be the #1 thing we praise, and it comes standard on the base model. And we cannot accurately talk about the Apple TV without exposing the terrible, frustrating reality of the current Siri remote right now. If you lose your remote in your couch, you're forced to use a fake Bluetooth proximity tracking software on your iPhone that barely works and constantly drops signal. It is completely insulting for a premium brand that charges an Apple tax on everything. The new leaks, specifically corroborated by supply chain data from Kasatami, indicate Apple is finally integrating a true U2 ultra-wideband chip with military-grade precision finding and a loud built-in speaker. You'll be able to track your remote exactly like an AirTag, with the arrow on your phone pointing directly to the exact inch it fell. But be warned right now, because the replacement cost for this premium remote will likely skyrocket to an agonizing $79. Keep it far away from your couch cushions and away from aggressive pets, because breaking it will severely hurt your bank account. You have to factor these hidden costs into your total entertainment setup. A sudden $79 replacement completely destroys your return on investment instantly, turning a standard media player into an expensive liability. This entire September release delay is completely tied to a massive home audio refresh as well, and it proves how big that hardware bottleneck actually was. The HomePod 3 and HomePod Mini 2 were also mysteriously delayed alongside the television box. Jeff Poo mentioned this exact hardware roadmap months ago, but nobody connected the dots until today. Apple is actively building an entirely new, fully integrated local AI network that relies on localized nodes. The new Apple TV and the upcoming HomePods will talk to each other seamlessly over a closed, private network. Imagine sitting down, asking your television to manipulate a highly specific indie movie setup, asking the AI to identify the background actors using on-screen awareness, and then having it route uncompressed spatial audio perfectly to your speakers. All of this processed locally without any cloud delays or internet drops. The current generation HomePods will hit literal obsolescence because they simply do not have the silicon power or the memory bandwidth to handle this intense local processing. If you buy into the ecosystem today, your hardware will not participate in this localized mesh network. It is that simple. Now, I promise you another major hidden detail that nobody else is mentioning, and it directly affects your monthly internet expenses in a massive way. The inclusion of the A17 Pro brings native hardware-accelerated AV1 encoding support straight to the logic board. Nikkei Asia recently detailed how AV1 is the absolute undisputed future of streaming media. It requires massively less data bandwidth to deliver crystal-clear, artifact-free 4K quality. If you live in a rural area or you're stuck with aggressive data caps from your terrible internet PR, Ovider, an AV1-capable Apple TV, will instantly slash your monthly data usage by a massive margin. Over a standard 2-year period, the actual cash savings on internet overage fees alone will completely pay for the entire device. That is a massive return on investment that justifies the wait 10 times over. You are buying hardware that actively reduces your monthly subscription costs. No other streaming box on the market provides that level of aggressive data management, while maintaining a premium picture output. Are you planning to upgrade your smart home this year? Or are you sticking with what you have? Let me know in the comments below. If you're thinking about buying any Apple smart home gear right now, freeze your credit card and step away from the checkout page. September 2026 is going to bring a total ecosystem reset that heavily punishes early adopters. We will get the massive power of the A17 Pro, the flawless wireless stability of Wi-Fi 7, the strict 8 gigabytes of RAM required for advanced tasks, AV1 monthly data savings, and the true unleashed power of Apple Intelligence on the absolute biggest screen in your house. The current hardware is a financial trap designed to take your hard-earned cash right before the greatest generational leap in streaming history. Save your money, calculate your future trade-in value, wait for the massive fall release, and make sure your living room is actually ready for the ultimate future of entertainment. Do not fall for the current trap and protect your investment.